and today we're going to be doing
the upside down challenge. Now,
Mommy's gonna be doing this one. I cannot do it because I have no arms.
oh, challenge coming soon. Anyway, this video we will be taking turns.
Yep.
And drawing cards and doing whatever task that it asks. We try to get Big Man in. We don't force any videos around here. Just putting that out there. Big Man doesn't do videos because Big Man don't want to do videos. They do videos because they want to do videos. That's why you don't ever see Big Man, because he doesn't want to do it.
Yes.
So that's why you don't see him.
Before we get into the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
And hit
the bell.
Hit the bell.
Wait, how do we open this?
Just bust it open. Alright, Riley got that. So we just need that. This is it. Oh no, we're not gonna fight over the Come on. Big Eye, let her try it first, and then Riley, you're gonna give it to him. Alright.
I don't see the channel no more.
Alright, those are our cards. And now it says we have 25 challenge cards. We've never played this game.
It doesn't look like 25.
What's it look like? More?
Yeah.
Oh look, they gave us a little notepad. But we got our own paper here, just in case it gets real. Alright, and the instructions are: we get 1 pair of upside down goggles, 1 drawing pad, and 25 challenge cards. Create your own challenge cards. Oh, they gave us 5 blank ones to create our own challenge. Okay, how to play. Draw a card from the stack. On each card is a challenge and an explanation of how to win that challenge. Read this out loud to everyone. All players then take turns attempting to complete the challenge listed on the challenge card within the amount of time shown. Oh, we had a timer, but they broke it. They break everything.
Hey! People break everything.
So let's see here. All players then take turns attempting to complete the challenge, blah, blah, blah. Players may, depending on what the challenge is, players may win or lose points. Continue completing challenges until a player earns 5 points and is crowned the winner.
Mom, so you can read what these are.
No closing your eyes. No closing your eyes or drawing. Writing by feel only. Wait, it says no closing your eyes or drawing/writing by feel only. For challenges in which you are drawing something as fast as possible, if you can't tell what the item is, then it doesn't count. That means you don't get a point if we can't tell what you drew. To determine whose drawing is the best, everyone votes. But you can't vote for yourself. If it's a tie, play rock, paper, scissors. Do you understand the rules?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Can y'all hear the storm? It's storming outside. We love the rain. We like to open our windows, open our doors, go outside, and just play. Oh, my bad. Just play in the water. Maybe we can get in the pool.
I just said that.
Yes. All right. Now, we have shuffled our cards, and let's do rock, paper, scissors, see who's going to go first between y'all two. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, again.
Nope. All right, so go ahead and draw your card right off the top. And let's read it. It says, draw a house. Whoever's house is drawn the best is the winner, and we got 30 seconds. So I got my phone right here. Riley's gonna go first, and I'm gonna set the clock for 30 seconds. Let me know when you're ready.
I gotta take off the lid.
Oh, yeah, this doesn't tighten up, does it? Let me see. 30 seconds on the clock. 1, 2, 3, go. Are you even looking at the paper, Riley?
I'm just guessing.
You're supposed to look at the paper. I think it's like a mind thing because like you're looking and it's trying to throw you off, but in your mind, ooh. Girl, you gotta hold that with your hand.
No, you haven't got
Because I'll hold it.
I'm going outside.
Oh, time's up. All right, drop it. Buddy, it's your turn.
Oh no.
And we'll show them at the end. We'll get up close. All right, buddy, your turn. On your mark. Get set. On the paper. Do you not see your paper?
No. Well, I got it.
Okay, on your mark. Get set.
Right. Go. Go, go, go. I can't.
You're drawing a house, buddy.
I can't do
15 seconds.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Ooh, that's a good start.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Alright.
Am I ready? Okay, make sure you push start when it's time and hand me my pencil when I put these on. Or my marker. I gotta draw a house.
Mom, your eyebrow.
Uh-oh, I hope they don't come off.
On your mark.
Hold on. Alright.
On your mark.
Okay.
Get set, go.
Oh, it's a crumb under the table right here. It's gonna mess up my house. Hold up.
Come on, Mom. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Done?
Oh!
Time? Flip your papers on. 3,
The camera didn't give me time.
2, 1. Show them the drawing. Hold on, buddy. We can't see that way back there, but you gotta put it up here.
Mom,
Okay, this is Buddy's, this is mine, this is Riley's.
Mom.
Who do y'all think won?
Pick mine. Mommy,
What?
I didn't get time.
I think you got 30 seconds. I think I won, so I think I'm gonna get that point. So let me go ahead. Let me write Mom here. Let me write Riley here, and let me write Big Eye here, and Mom gets a point. Here,
Okay.
draw another one.
Ooh. What?
It says lean. It says lean 2 challenge cards against one another. If you do it, you get a point. So they want you to take 2 cards and make them like this.
What? Impossible.
And you have to do that in 30 seconds. So do you understand?
Impossible. Yes.
You gotta basically build a little fort.
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Wait, what am I gonna do again?
You gotta build that. Remember? 2, 1, go.
6, 7.
Move the paper because it's gonna be slipping down. 20 seconds on the clock.
8, 9, give me it.
Maybe you can make them the long way.
I see something.
8 seconds. 5, 4. Ooh, buddy. 3, 2. Oh, time's up, buddy.
I knew I was gonna do it.
Okay, Riley. Let's see if Riley can do it.
Here's it's the card.
There's your 2 cards.
But I'll never do that.
Do I need to hold it? No. All right. And 3. You ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
No, never ever do that.
20 seconds on the clock. Maybe put them the long way. Maybe they'll stand the long way, like the short way. Put them the other way.
I don't know how to do this.
8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2.
1. No!
Boom, boom, boom. Now let's see if I can do it.
You'll never do the Mom. It's impossible.
All right. Go ahead and give me.
That is no fair.
Go ahead and hit the clock for me in about 3, 2.
I see your eyeball.
I see yours too. All right, I got my 2 cards. Are you ready, Riley?
On 3. Yeah, okay. On your mark. Come on, Mom. On your mark. Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mom? There's no way you can do it.
How the hell are they supposed to stand up?
Time's up.
No, nobody got a point, but we get A for effort.
This is impossible.
Sorry. It says connect the dots. Have the player to your left draw 5 dots on a piece of paper. That would be big eye. He's to my left. Yeah, you're to my left. And then number them 1 through 5. Wait, and number them 1 through 5 and connect the dots. If you do, you get a point. You draw 5 dots.
Okay.
On the paper.
That's
1,
no fair.
2, 3, 4,
5.
Allie, you number them 1 through 5.
I don't know how to do this.
Just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because I have to connect the dots. You know how you connect you go to the next number? Okay. Now. Alright. There's the clock.
Yeah.
Let me put on.
For 30 seconds.
Let me put on my goggles.
Everything is 30 seconds.
Alright. 3.
On your.
Hold up, I can't even see. Alright.
On your mark. Get it set. Go.
1.
Connect it. Come on, just.
2. 3.
4. Wrap.
Yay, I got it! In 20 seconds! Yay! Pull the card.
What?
It says,
I think I'm gonna do my own challenge.
yep, it says create your own challenge and share it with the hashtag upside down challenge. Do you want to skip or do you want to skip this one or do you want to create your own challenge?
Create my own.
Okay, what do you want to do? How do you want to do that?
Oh, I got a good one. What you do is you grab a can and you try to dodge it inside. And so if you make it off, you get a point.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, really? That was all the cans?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, buddy, your turn. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You made one. What about you?
10 seconds.
No,
3, 2, wait, where is the box? Okay, 3, 2.
you made one.
Yeah.
Make 2.
Hold up. 3.
Make 4. Make 5. Video. How? Big eye.
It says draw a tree.
I'm not sure how we're gonna do that in 30 seconds. Mom.
Draw a tree, buddy. All right, 3, 2, go. Ooh. that's a stubby little tree.
Alright, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
We'll give warnings. 15 seconds.
16 warning. 16 warning. Oh, nice. Hey!
30 seconds.
Oh, stop. Oh, it went on the 92.
Okay, buddy, there's your tree. Buddy, can you tell us what kind of tree did you draw? What kind of tree did you draw? That kind of looks like our avocado tree.
I know.
All right, Riley.
Alright, this is going to be easy.
All right, you want another piece of paper, Riley?
No.
All right.
Wait.
Here's your pen.
The plant.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
3, 2,
Wait, let me get you a different paper. All right. 3, 2, go. Okay, going in with confidence. Hold up. Oh, that looks like somebody's lips. What is that? 5 seconds. 2, 1. Done.
What is that?
Hey, that's Riley's tree. All right, now it's my turn.
It looks like a freaking tooth.
It looks like, I don't know what it looks like. All right, my turn. All right, run the clock.
3, 2.
All right.
1. Mommy, on your mark.
You ready?
Get set. On your mark. Get set, go. Let's see what legs is your. Oh, this is. That's not fair. You keep on getting all these points.
Hey! Big eyes over here. There's a little hole in the tree.
A woodpecker? 30 minutes.
30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds. Wait, no bears.
Let's show them on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all vote and tell us whose tree was better.
It's Mommy's. Dang it.
Let me look at Big Eyes. Big Eyes looks like a seedling, so his can still pass, but yours. What kind of tree did you draw?
An apple tree.
I'ma just go ahead and give me that point.
Wait, give me a point.
No, you don't get a point. You don't get a point.
Turn my room, Big Eye.
All right. Okay. It says write the word text in all capital letters.
I know this.
So the word is spelled.
I know, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Well, I'm telling them. The word is spelled T-E-X-T. Riley, this will be one for me and you. T-E-X-T.
Alright, this is gonna be easy but breezy.
Give me the goggles. Give me the paper. It's my turn.
Paper. Here's the paper and the marker.
All right. Let me know.
Wait, Mom, I missed that. Come on, never mind about it.
All right.
On your marks. Get set, go. Mommy, the rain stopped. It just comes with the drops. Darn. What is that? This is gonna be easy but crazy.
That's mine. That's mine. All right. I did it in half the time. All right. Let me know when you're ready.
Next, 2, 1.
You ready? 3, 2, 1. Boing. T. E. X. T. T. Dang, yo, Riley got, whoa, Riley got that one. Let's show them. On 3, 2, 1. Riley definitely did that. All right, Riley, hit, give yourself a point up there.
You got
Next.
again. Oh?
It says draw an item of your choice. The first person to guess what it is gets a point.
What?
So you gotta draw something, and if me and Big Eye gotta guess what it is. But you got 30 seconds to draw it, and we have to guess. 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
Dinosaur.
A lollipop.
No.
Wait.
Baby T-Rex.
No. It's long and have eyeballs.
It's long and that's why I thought it was Baby T-Rex.
A giraffe? Yep.
Buddy won right at 30 seconds. Wow. High five, buddy. Give yourself a point. Riley. That.
I definitely lost this one.
No, because Big Eye guessed it. So, you did good. Show them your drawing.
Mom, I got it at the right. Just look up to me. I'm done with math. Mommy.
All right.
Mom, I got it at the right time.
Okay.
I should have drawn a tail with a big head.
Okay, this is probably going to be our last one. Create your own challenge and share it with the hashtag #UpsideDown challenge. I got one. So the challenge that I made up is I'm gonna try to light this wonderful candle with this lighter. How many seconds? Oh, it didn't give me a time on it, so no time on it. But I'm gonna try to light this candle
in
with
1 second.
No.
In 2 seconds.
All right.
3 seconds. 10 seconds.
Is my eyebrow still on?
No. It's right.
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh.
All right. 3, 2. I don't need time. 1.
Oh Lord.
I can't.
I hope Lord this doesn't. I'll go get some water just in case. Mom, this is not
Hold on.
idea. Mom, no. Mom, that's the gosh thing right there.
Okay, I got
You're
it.
gonna burn your nail.
Got it.
Go. No! Right on the glass.
Sit down. Oh, I think I got it. It went out. Come on, I can do this. I can do it.
I can do it.
We're going out with a bang, y'all. Wait, if we can see what's going on here.
I can't even think sleep.
This is so strange.
I hope you don't catch your dang house on fire. This is our future house. Oh!
Got one.
Let me blow that after.
No, don't blow it out. I worked hard.
Mom! It's better when you work your eyes out. It's better without the goggles.
Hold up.
Mom! Don't touch the cap! Your nail! Mom, your nail! Your nail!
I know, I see it. I'm just trying to get this in the right.
I was like, Dad, Mama got the house on fire. No, that's
All right, we almost there.
Yeah.
Ooh, almost.
Lord help me now. Mom! Stop. Stop. You got started on fire. Mom, the lid is even melting. Right?
Right. That was it.
Mom,
but I got one lit, so high five.
You get 1 point. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me get a thumbs up and subscribe.